Hey Twetchers, the first thing you're going to do is open up your RelayX wallet and click the menu up top. Click the tab that says 1 and then select Top Up. Select an amount of Satoshis that you would like to move over from your RelayX wallet to your RelayONE wallet and click Send. You can now use this money on Twetch. Now go to your Twetch profile, click the Settings button, go down to Select Wallet and select RelayX. Open it up in a new tab, and then click Open the app, and then Authorize on the Relay end. Relay is now successfully linked to Twetch. Now you can go back to your Twetch, back into your settings, back to that drop-down menu for Select Wallet, click Relay, and then allow it on the Twetch end. You are now ready to start Twetching using the Relay wallet. If you choose to do so, you can select the one-click payment button. This will make your Twetch experience quite fast, and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching, and enjoy Twetching with Relay.